So in this video, I will explain about Fibonacci sequence of length n, and those n number we have to read from the console. In the previous video, I've already uploaded about Fibonacci sequence, but that was with the usage of while loop. Here we will see how can we use for loop to generate n terms of Fibonacci sequence. What is Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci means 0 and 1 is common in that sequence, and the next number will be the summation of those two previous number. So the next number is 0 plus 1, that is 1. The next number will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then the next number will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we'll see how can we proceed with this. So we just have to open ideally. Directly we'll jump onto the program. File, new file. Here we have to take n value that should be taken from the user, and that should be converted to integer. The value for the Fibonacci sequence. Enter the length of the Fibonacci sequence, fib sequence. We'll just give the short form. Then the value assignment a comma b is, we have to assign or we have to initiate those two values, that is a and b, to 0 and 1 respectively. A will be initialized to 0 and b will be initialized to 1, and then we just have to create an empty list. How can we create an empty list? Just with the square braces. Then for I in range function we have to use here of n, the value which we have given here, till that time this for loop will run. Fib.append, append is a list method which will add those values within the list. Fib.append a, then a's value and b's value will be swapped by this method, list comprehension. A plus b, yes, the a plus b value will be given to b and b value will be given to a for the next iteration. Then we just have to print fib. If you want to trace it, you can trace it. This is to a. This one is bit critical to understand. If you have to trace it, you can trace it with the usage of notebook. You have to take those two numbers, for example 3 or 4, and just initialize those two numbers with 0 and 1, create an empty list and go with the for loop. For the first iteration, I will be 0 and it will generate, for range of 3 or range of 4 will generate 0, 1, 2, 3, not the given number, because this number will be exclusive. And fib.append a will be appended to the list. Then a's and b's value will be interchanged. B's value will be the summation of a plus b and a's value will be the common b value. So you can trace it. I'll just give the output. If for example, if you want the first 5 sequence of Fibonacci, so the output will be 0, 0 plus 1 is common, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So you can check the output, you can verify the output by tracing it. So in the next video, I'll discuss about the 2B question.